So the run for ICP has been good, no doubt. Held up really well yesterday despite the market going through major corrections. That's huge, right? ICP has shown a lot of support lately. But I will say that no day has been more critical for the short-term price performance of ICP than today. Today is a day where ICP has got to make a decision. Are we going to continue on the trend that we've been on, or are we going to break down and try to retest some of these levels? So what I'm seeing, and I don't really like to look at shorter term charts. This is the 1 hour chart. Is we've had this trend line for quite some time now. It's actually been playing out for almost 3 weeks. And it was a range of resistance that we had to fight through. You can see resistance, resistance, resistance. But as of late, basically since December 30th, it's turned into a strong range of support. We've tested it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And every single time, apart from that wick down that we experienced yesterday, we've bounced off of it. But now we're getting into a corner in this chart. All right. We're facing consolidation. We've been facing it since January 2nd. And now we got to make a decision. Are we going to come down and break down and start to break through and test some of these support ranges? Or are we going to flip around and continue this trend? Are we going to explode to the upside? Well, there are some things that are working in our favor. Right now, we're kind of sandwiched in this range of liquidity. There are buy orders just below where we're at, which is the reason why we've held up such strong ranges of support again around this 13.5 level. And there are a couple ranges of resistance that have filled in here over the last 24 hours. You can see those 2 blocks. A better way to see what we got to fight through is right up here. Okay. Oops. Well, if I could, I don't want to draw on here, but you can see that these are what we are working through right now. We're working through, these aren't huge levels of resistance. There isn't like this big, massive portion of liquidity to the upside that's holding us down. It's part of the reason why, ICP has been able to run so easily. But obviously when we look at this chart, there is a lot of green. I'm surprised that there hasn't been more pullbacks, to be honest with you. Honestly, something like a pullback to, 11.5 or so would actually be healthy. That could be something that would obviously be sustainable. We could be playing out essentially into a 5-way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But today is going to be a day where the decision is made. Right now, with the market showing some strength, with us slightly recovering, we obviously see that, I'll show you back here. BTC is slightly recovering up at 43.3. We're slowly and surely moving our way to the upside. If this strength continues, it would not surprise me if ICP continues to show strength to the upside today as well. So we'll obviously know by day end whether we are moving to the downside for a short time, or if we're going to continue this trend to the upside and tackle some of these ranges of resistance and try to target that $20 to $22 level. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts from here, but I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.